So pin inside, there's a slot inside also, there's a groove. It will go here like this. Just click. If you want to take it out, you just pull it out. No rotating. Otherwise, usually it will not rotate because it has a pin inside and a slot inside. So it will go into this slot only. It won't go to like left and right, or misalignment will not like go inside.
Yeah, because you will see here, the shape here
Shape will match to this
will
one.
match with this one. So,
So
all
you
it
want to
has to
see
match with
and
it.
you want to connect, straight away you can connect. And this will it should align.
Yeah,
So now it is your blade is connected. Now connection I already told you. I'm going to on it. So put a Mac 4 blade, and I'll tell you from the beginning what are the functions. So this, if I put long press, it will switch off. So it was in the standby mode, that's why it's put on. You put it again, and it will come up again. It's logo of Karl Stores and everything. Okay. The blade is already connected. So you'll see the two options. One is red dot, which is video recording. Another is image, the camera is there, so it will take image. Third one is, there's no option here because this option will highlight when the another connection will be there. So if two connections are there, it will highlight. And then you can toggle the image between. So if I have one cable more,
We will show you. We have one.
we have one
thing.
flexible for show you, then we'll show you this one also.
You have the flexible?
I have a demo flexible, which is single use. Recently, we got it from Karl Stores. So it's for demo.
Only for demo?
It is for demo. I'll show you this. And this is flexible single use.
Single use.
Actually, yes. So because the flexible reuse we already have, but the
We have an OT, the flexible.
flexible reusable.
Yeah, we don't have an IC, we don't have an emergency. Okay.
So
Okay,
we start from the image recording and the image capturing option. There's two options. One on the doctor side, one on the monitor side also. So you can see this.
Below. Can
So
press to record.
I can take a picture. So it's turned green. I'll take a picture. Already took a picture. So by clicking, by pressing once, it will take the image and store it into this one. This has a memory card. The storage is there.
How much storage inside?
It is 16 GB, but you can extend also. Like
16.
many pictures you can take on video recording also.
And video recording, can you video record from here?
You go to yes, you can do it now. So if you do a little long press,
What about
it
video
will
recording?
blink and continuous green blinking.
So the video recording.
So now the video recording, as you know that the red dot is also here. So it is video recording and saving into the image. So after the procedure, you can
Video.
evaluate or something for training also.
Okay.
Again, you want to come back from the video, just press
Press
one
one.
press. Then come into the live mode. Again, if you want to do it from here, the same process. You start recording through this button.
Okay.
Again press, it will come out. Same as images. So I will take the images. So the basic functions. These are the most function you are going to use actually, the video and the image recording. Now come to this setting modes. So when you press this one, you will see whatever you taken as a video recording, you can watch it from here. So I'll go here. This is the video I create. I'll play here. It's a recorded video.
Okay.
A little video. So same as you want to evaluate the pictures you have taken, you go to here. This is the. So you go up and down whatever the picture I have taken.
Okay.
You can check, and also you can delete which you don't want. And again, by press this button, it will go to the setting, the immediate setting, and then again there's some more functions inside it. So I'll go to this one. So this is the white balance. So if you see your image coming from this, it is very reddish or very yellow or different image, which is then unusual. Then you do the white balance. By doing it like white paper, white gauze, you put it like this till this finished. When bar is going to finish, that means that white balance is done. So your image will be reset because this is electronic image. So
Okay.
it will need some time. Not usually you will find out that image is different, but when you find it, this is the
White
button.
balance, okay.
White balance is done. All the image you can see they do the white balance. And this is the second button. It's not highlighted. It is for
SIM card.
transferring the image from here to
Yes.
this. It has a USB and HDMI output.
Mm.
So if you want to transfer the store image from this card to the USB, press the USB.
HDMI, yeah?
HDMI is for video output. So for the through the USB, when you connect the USB, it will highlight
Okay.
this one, and then you again press. So all the images and video will transfer here.
Can we change, like if we attach to a monitor?
Function I explained. I'll go to more function. This is factory reset. It's like something, software or something happens to the factory reset. This is the button where you can wipe out the card, like reset the card or delete all the
Format.
memory clear. You format the card.
Format, okay.
You can do the format the card by
From
this.
here.
So if I press this,
You formatted the
it's
card.
already done. It is first.
The card only,
Card only, yes.
not the internal memory.
This is a card is your internal memory basically.
Oh, there is no
internal-
internal memory inside, only the card. And it comes with a card there.
This comes with the card.
16.
It's already.
Okay.
This is for brightness control. So if you find that brightness
Okay.
you need to adjust, you do. This is the again red, blue, and green color adjustment, but we don't recommend to change
Change.
this one because it will give you different images. Then again you have to reset. This is for time and date setting, and this is also the software thing which need to update for the engineers, like firmware updation. This is our this is by the the manufacturer. They use
Oh,
this
yeah.
setting.
Okay.
This is the button where you have a book and the video. If I press this one, it will go into a video mode where all the explanation which I am doing right now, it is there.
Okay.
So if you want to see whatever the function are there in this device, by video you can explain. So one by
Okay.
one how to connect the cable, how to charge it,
But without voice, huh?
everything, all the function.
Without voice. Just silent mode.
I don't know. Might be I need to check with in our office to connect with the bigger.
And without battery. Without charging.
If it's
It's
full
fully
charge,
charged?
and it may directly like continuous, using it like 6 to 8 hours at least, 8 hours. And then if you are like doing some cases, then you stop it. So you put on the standby mode. It will save your battery,
Okay.
and then it will go to like a week time. It's depend upon the cases and the.
Okay.
I have one intubation, mannequin also where you can try also.
Okay, good.
I bought it.